Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to factory reset your Huawei Band 9. So first, you have to ensure that your band is charged 30% and higher. And this is because if it is not charged 30% and higher and it switches off during the factory reset, it won't reset your band and then you'll have to go through the process again. So ensure that your band is 30% and above. Once you've confirmed that, you then want to navigate to settings. So press on the button and scroll through the apps list until you find settings. Under settings, you want to scroll until you get to this option, system updates. Tap on it. From here, you want to scroll through your system updates until you see this option, reset. So tap on reset, then confirm that you wish to reset the device. Bear in mind that everything will be erased. So tap on the checkbox and your smart band will be reset. So just wait for the process to finish itself. And once it's done, you should be brought to the first page of the setup menu. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.